Grab your goggles, dive with me. We're going on an adventure under the sea. The waves are dancing, the sun is bright, an underwater world full of joy and light. Hello dolphin, fast and free, jumping high above the sea. With flips and spins, they play all day, smiling wide in the ocean spray. Under the sea, there's so much to see, with dolphins, turtles, and fish swimming free. Colors and creatures, fun and delight. The ocean's a treasure, shiny and bright. See the turtle, calm and slow, with a shell that shines like a rainbow. Gliding gently in the tide, with tiny fish swimming by its side. Under the sea, there's so much to see, with dolphins, turtles, and fish swimming free. Colors and creatures, fun and delight. The ocean's a treasure, shiny and bright. Tiny fish of red and blue, yellow, purple, orange too. They twirl and twist, they dart with glee. It's a rainbow party under the sea. Crabs that scuttle, starfish still, jellyfish floating with gentle skill. Seahorses dancing, a sight to see, all living happily under the sea. Under the sea, there's so much to see, with dolphins, turtles, and fish swimming free. Colors and creatures, fun and delight. The ocean's a treasure, shiny and bright. Yes, the ocean's a treasure, shiny and bright. Thanks for swimming along with me. See you next time under the sea.